I'm going to teach you one of those recipes we love, good, cheap, and beautiful too, the triple B.
Look how beautiful this is.
How beautiful this turns out.
Dish, cheap, easy to make, and it looks beautiful.
Why is the video intro black and white? To hide that I'm wearing pajamas? When my daughter sleeps, I hurry down to record these intros and show my face. So that's the only way it works. That's how it's gonna be, okay? The recipe is good, watch it.
Guys, I have here a baking dish greased with olive oil, and here are some sliced onions seasoned with a little bit of salt and black pepper. Now I'm going to add the sausages. Look, these are Tuscan sausages cut in half, okay? Opened up, but not all the way through, see? 4 sausages. Now I have here, look, a bit of kabocha squash or kabotia, depending on the region. It still has the skin on, okay, guys? Because it's all organic, so there's no problem. Potatoes seasoned with garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then I'm going to put them around here. Now I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil and put it in the oven, which is already preheated to 200 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? Then I'll take it out and show you. Look, I left it for 25 minutes. I opened the oven at 15. I thought it needed a little more time. Now we're going to stuff these sausages. They're already cooked, but they need...
And we're going to stuff them.
I put a little tomato with a bit of salt. Now I'm going to add cheese, mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese on top of the tomato. Now we're going to put it back in the oven with the dish uncovered, okay? No aluminum foil. And then I'll keep an eye on it, and later I'll tell you how long it took, just to be clear.
The potatoes and the pumpkin are raw. So since every oven is different and the vegetables can also have more or less water, be softer or firmer, this time can vary, okay? You will leave it in the oven without the aluminum foil for as long as it takes for your vegetables to cook. You can open the oven as many times as you want, poke them a little and see how they are, but it's important to take them out of the oven when they're cooked, okay? I know that you
Are going to ask if
you can
exchange
pumpkin, you can just use potatoes. Yes, you can, guys. The important thing is that I give you the idea and you adapt it to your own taste. You can even use other things instead of the mozzarella and Parmesan cheese I used. It's up to you. Let your imagination run wild. Take the idea and add your own touch. Look how beautiful this dish turns out.
See? It's cheap, simple to make, and looks great.
If you like this video, it's important that you share it on your social media. If you make this recipe, tag Panelaterapia so we can repost it. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Just look for Panelaterapia and give us your support. Kisses.